Hello Google, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel HPM Tech. Today's a new video. Google listed screen protection band certificate to work with the Pixel fingerprint screen. Today fingerprint screen is touched upon the manufacturers and a good jobs it with the Pixel 6 now just our weeks from most the understand display fingerprint sensor is emergency of biggest point constant some have issues with the screen protect and Google now offering banned market access certificate Pixel 6 Pro. It's the latest 1000 Thursday Google support page how to unlock Pixel phone fingerprints only had following about screen protection played with 6. Check the match in Google manufacturing website completes screen protect. Google links many branded have access designing work with Pixel requirement. Google section updates per certificate. It says model is the have currently less than out of stock. Outbox Pixel 6 create protect screen protection $19. Pixel 6 Pro clear protect film screen protection 90.95 Asharia. This access net listing of company website target details. Panzer glasses tempered glass screen protect for Google Pixel 6. Panzer glass PU screen protect from Google Pixel 6 Pro 2020 $2.99 Sharia glass service. Of course, many brands now wants screen protection how to yet list in Google for part complaint offline guidelines. If you fingerprint tools have for screen protector, you are using screen past pixel that's some adjust display fingerprint section come out. If you understand display fingerprint sensor there's bit slow like what is one plus user don't have much issues with after near weeks using between pro and state models. If you slow and strictly poke about promise guest the jobs dance one music movement kids I don't have problem. More pixel reviews Google 1990 pixel that at amazing deals better than Pro Google Assistant on Google Promoted Plus call some here stop pixel exchange 13 watt on Google improvement on YouTube videos. Google Pixel Fold camera latest pixel. Google Pixel down update the foldable phone and some high-end camera format Pixel Pro One of biggest jumps forward pixel line. These camera dependent V Type-C Google font word compressed other camera header with improvements software and machine learn. The Pixel and Pixel 6 Pro 15 megapixel real camera mount cheap micro magic Pixel 6 Pro had compared for physics upgrade now income camera type city idea deals according designing latest for foldable to according app highest discovery for with any recommended artifacts with also equal to 6 pixel sensors. It's not clear point with what under display camera sensor like on Galaxy Z Fold 3 wireless portable designing more on Google Pixel Google Transmission Red Pixel 6 chip wrote about others keys best Chromebook news while viewers may be their related portable Google's Pixel 4 Fold and Google Pixel others support IM access opening to compatible dates tells our tools idea made a Pixel 6 Pro GeoFox and new Google search with ranking deck sports higher basic to coming videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest mission update. Subscribe to HPM Tech 90 Google's select the image WhatsApp as use the mail. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.